Dear friends, welcome to this session. In the last session, we have discussed about some basics of MOOCs. In this session, I will be discussing about SWAYAM course proposal. Now, this will come to your mind why we are going to discuss this SWAYAM course proposal. Because whenever the course coordinators are submitting the proposals to the national coordinators, in many cases, the proposal are not approved by the national coordinator. So in this exercise, we will see how to fill this proposal correctly. The first point of this proposal relates to user profile. User profile, your name, then your institution name, your experience in years, then your employment type, permanent, temporary, retired, and other things. Then your address, city, state, and PIN code. Now comes the main point. This is a brief text about your experience and other things. You will see that in this I mentioned about my experience in short. The second point, this is the point which is seen by the national coordinator while approving your course proposal. So you have to write the name of the host institution. Host institution is required because that institution is providing credits and certificates and courses to the learners. Then comes the course title. You have to decide a course title. Like in this case, I have decided Introduction to Copyright Laws. Then below this course title, you have to give the course overview in around 1000 words, which deals with the overview of this course. What are the objectives of this course? What you are going to teach the learners in this course and how this course will be beneficial for the learners. So it is very important to write this overview very patiently and very correctly. Then, to which subject this course is related, then medium of instruction, and then course duration in weeks. Course duration is the duration which tells that this course is of 4 weeks duration, 8 weeks duration, 12 weeks duration, or 16 weeks duration. This duration depends upon the credits of the course. Generally, the courses are of 4 credits and they are of 12 weeks duration. If the course is of 8 credits, then it will be of 16 weeks duration. So you have to decide all these things in advance while filling this course proposal. Then, as I discussed with you in the last session, you have to mention whether this is the new course or the repurposed course. Repurposed means if you are using the already available text. Then details of the program. It should be in 500 words. This also relates with the course, details of the course and how this course is going to be delivered to the learners. Then you have to fill about the type of certification, whether you are going to offer credit-based course or non-credit based course, because in SWAYAM platform certain awareness programs are also there which are non-credit. So you have to decide on this aspect also, whether you are going to simply prepare a awareness program or a credit based program. So in this case, I have decided 4 credits for this program. Then what are the objectives of this course? you have to write these objectives. This is the another important criteria on which selection of your proposal is based. These objectives and then the learning outcomes. You have to decide both these things. Then comes URL of the introductory video. Here I have not given the URL. For that, what you have to do, you have to prepare a introductory video of 2 to 5 minutes duration, and you have to upload that video on the YouTube, and you have to provide that URL here in this course proposal form. Then you have to decide about the eligibility for enrollment if it is required. So in my case, I have decided that any graduate will be eligible to enroll in this course. Then who are the intent audience? So similarly here also, any graduate will be eligible to take registration in this course. Now, in how many cycles you are planning to offer this course? Generally, in MOOCs platform, they are offering course in 2 cycles, Jan and June. So in this case, I have decided that I will be offering this course in both the cycles. Then you have to mention the date. If you remember, in the last session, we have discussed the timeline. In that timeline, we have to give the start date of the course and the ending date of the course. And the third date is the course announcement, means from when the registration will start of the course. Then you have to give the evaluation methodology of the course. Evaluation methodology means how much weightage will be given to the internal assessment of or self-assessment or continuous assessment, whatever the term you will use for this course, and how much weightage will be given to the final examination. So in this case, what I have decided, I am planning to give 30% weightage to the assignments and 70% weightage to the final examination. So this is the practice which we are already following in IGNOU 30-70 ratio. Then they will be asking that do you have facilities for production and editing of videos, animations, etc. Because as you remember, quadrant 1 is videos. So you have to prepare videos for that. So you have to say that you are having these kind of facilities. Many private players are also now available. They will help you in preparing these videos. Then if you are not having any with such facility, then if you are marking this no, so then you have to say then how you are going to prepare the videos for your course. Then this is a declaration from the course coordinator side. Then this is the another important thing which you have to prepare in detail. This is the schedule for the video lectures. As I told you, 20 hours of video contents are required for a 4-credit course. So 20 hours means 20 videos of 1 hour each, or 40 videos of 30 minutes. It depends upon the course coordinator. Generally, we go for 30 minutes videos of 40. Then you have to prepare the schedule or the detailed description of all the videos. So here see, I have given some just to show you the sample. Subject domain, then video title, name of the teacher, then contents abstract, duration in minutes, and the publishing date of that video. So you have to prepare a detailed chart with all the 40 videos in advance while preparing this course proposal. Then the reading material. As I told you, in our case, we are using IGNOU material. So we have given block-wise description of the our SLM's study material and along with their page number. So these two columns you have to prepare very correctly, because national coordinators and reviewers, they are going to check all these components very seriously. Then comes the assessment part. For self-assessment of the learners, what you are going to use. In this case, I wrote that I will be using quiz, assignments, discussion forums, and case studies. And all these things will be covering all the topics of the videos, all 40 videos. Then the reviewer details. Whatever videos you are going to prepare, they must be reviewed by some reviewer. So in this course proposal form itself, you have to take approval of the reviewer's name. So in this case, I mentioned two names of the reviewers. So all these things you have to plan in advance. You have to contact your reviewers. You have to contact your subject matter experts. Subject matter experts means those who are going to prepare videos for you. Suppose you are preparing 40 videos. It is not necessary for you to prepare all the videos yourself. You will take help from the subject experts in your field. They are known as SMEs, subject matter experts. So for providing one MOOCs course, you have course coordinators, then you have these SMEs and reviewers also. So you have to accordingly plan and suggest names of these reviewers, subject matter experts, and if assistance is required by course coordinators. Then in the first point, we have given the detail of the course coordinator. Now, if the course coordinator wants a co-coordinator, the 7-point covers all the details related with the co-coordinator. So in this case, in my case, I'm not having any co-coordinator, so I kept this 7th point blank. If you want to have any co-coordinator, then you have to fill this 7 point also. So this is my suggestion. Just fill this form very seriously, complete all the details, just prepare in advance and give the accurate details about your program, your learning objectives, outcomes, your video titles, and your uh, reviewers. They are the key points for approval of your SWAYAM course proposal. So I hope now you will have a better understanding of how to fill this SWAYAM course proposal. After filling this course proposal, you have to submit it to the concerned national coordinator. I told you in the last session also, it depends upon the type of the course. If it is certificate or diploma course, then this course proposal will be submitted to IGNOU. If it is undergraduate course, then it will be submitted to CEC. If it is postgraduate course, then the proposal will be submitted to UGC. So it depends upon the course where to submit the proposal. This course proposal form or expression of interest is available on SWAYAM platform. From there, you have to download it, fill it, and send to the national coordinator. Thank you.